Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. It's upgrade time at Tesla Family. We're upgrading our old Graco Atlas 65 car seat to this brand spanking new Diono Radian 3RXT car seat. I'm excited to add this to the Model 3's rear seat, mainly because this seat here is designed to fit 3 across. Not that I'm planning on fitting 3 car seats in the back of the Model 3, but it would just give me a little bit more room than we had with the Graco here. The Graco is a little bit wider, and even though we were able to fold down the 60% portion of the rear seat, of the 60/40 rear seats, that still was kind of a tight fit, and we definitely couldn't fit 3 of these car seats across if needed. The other reason that we're upgrading is, unfortunately, my Model 3 was involved in an accident. Another driver decided to veer out of her lane and hit the passenger side of my Model 3, damaging the side of the Model 3, passenger side of the Model 3, and both doors. Luckily, no airbags went off and no glass broke, but my 5-year-old daughter was sitting on that side of the car in this car seat. We were able to get the other insurance company to send us a check for the value of a replacement Graco Atlas 65, and we ended up using that money to upgrade to the Diono Radian 3RXT. So here we go. We're going to unbox this, and then we'll do maybe a side-by-side comparison, and then we'll go ahead and put it into the Model 3. So let's go. All right, before we get into the box, here's a look at the outside. Here it is, the Diono Radian 3RXT, the original 3 across all-in-one car seat, berth to booster, 5 to 120 pounds. You can see here in this picture they've got 3 across in this car. We paid $279.99 in February 2021 for this car seat. Check my Amazon link in the description below for the current price. All right, here's the side of the box. 4 ways to travel from berth to booster. Level 1 here is newborn rear facing from 5 pounds. Level 2 is rear facing, looks like up to 50 pounds. Level 3 is forward facing with a harness, 22 to 65 pounds. And level 4 is the high back booster, 40 to 120 pounds. And here's the back of the box again. Level 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's some more information from the other side of the box. What makes the Radian 3RXT great? Premium fabric, newborn travel wedge, 2-in-1 infant positioning liner, 12 position head support, slim fit design, fits 3 across, rear facing for longer, steel core, energy absorbing foam, side impact protection, foam harness pads, FAA approved, folds for convenience, easy remove cover, machine washable, super latch, UAS installation, expandable side width, safe stop technology, and 5-point harness. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and open the car seat. It says open me this way up, so we've got the box oriented the right way. Yeah. Got my letter opener. All right, let's slide this out. Okay, here is the car seat in the bag. Just pulled it out of the box. All right, inside this bag we've got looks like this is the newborn cushions, the all-important cup holder. I'll flip this around. I guess the manual is tucked back here on the side. So our 5-year-old is about 37 pounds, just shy of 40 pounds. So we'll be doing forward facing with 5-point harness with the safe stop only. All right, I found the unfolding and folding. Place car seat on its back on a flat surface and unfasten the red carry strap from the bottom. rotate the bottom until you hear it click. It's easy enough. And here's the car seat. Okay, so to fold the seat, lay the chair on its back. There's a lever right here. I'm gonna fold it down, like so, and the bottom comes back. And of course, if you wanted to transport it, you could just restrap it through the metal rail here, and you're generally all set. I'm not a pro at this yet. There we go. So now it's transportable and actually pretty compact when you remove when you're able to fold the bottom up into it. So unfolding again, real quick, boom, ready to go. Here's a side-by-side. At least at the base, the Diono is much narrower. So just doing a quick measurement of the width side-by-side here. At the base of the Diono is about only 13 inches wide, and the base of the Graco is about 18 inches wide, so about full 5 inches wider here on the Graco. And of course at the top, at its widest, the Diono is about 17 inches, and we're pushing 19 inches at the widest for the Graco. One thing I will say that's quite different is the Diono is a much heavier car seat than the Graco, probably because of that steel frame. Talking about weight, again, going back to weight, the Diono is 28 pounds, pretty hefty car seat. Although it's narrow, it's almost double the weight of the Atlas 65, which is 16 pounds. Before going any further, I want to let you know that because insurance provided us with a reimbursement for this car seat for it being in the accident, it is now deemed unsafe, so we're going to cut the straps and we'll be discarding of this car seat. And to prove that for you today, I'm just going to cut them right here on video. So there's one strap. There's two straps. So we'll be discarding of this car seat, so no children can be injured in it. Alright, that's all we're going to do for the unboxing video now. Let's go ahead and move the Diono into the Model 3. If you haven't seen my video yet, I do have a video showing the installation of the Atlas 65, so check that out, the link above. Alright, let's take the new car seat out and install it in the Model 3. Alright guys, I just got my Model 3 back from the Tesla body shop after the repair due to the accident that caused some damage to both of my passenger side doors here. Tesla repaired those. Check out the video link above if you want to see the repair process and how much it cost me to get repaired. Otherwise, let's go ahead and install our new car seat into the back of the Model 3. We're going to be attaching the car seat to 2 points in the car. The first point is going to be right here in the seat, where you'll see these two plastic buttons that have a car seat icon. These are the latch hooks, and if I push my hand down, you can see them right here under the seat. There's a metal bar that we're going to hook the latch into. So one goes here, it goes up through the back of the car seat, one goes over here, and you tighten it down. And on the top, in the Model 3, we need to go around the headrest per the instructions, and then we'll be using one of these top tether points. There's 3 here in the Model 3. Push down to open up, and there's another hook in here. And then we'll be tightening on the left-hand side of the headrest. Here we go. Before putting in the car seat, I'm going to let you know that we are going to keep this Brica kick mat. It's working very well. Keeps the back of the Model 3 seats protected from my daughter's dirty shoes. And the old Brica car seat protector we're actually going to get rid of, and that's because we wanted to get a car seat protector that's been tested with the new Diono car seat. So we'll be taking this out. And putting this in. This is our new Diono Ultra Mat car seat protector. We paid $21.59 on Amazon for the Ultra Mat. Look in the description below for my Amazon link to check the current price. It has Pentalock technology, which is 5 layers of protection between the car seat and your car's seat. It's waterproof, and it's been crash tested, which is a big plus for us. The individual panels of high-density foam contour to any vehicle seat and protect upholstery from the scrapes and permanent indentations caused by child safety seats. That's why I'm using it. Let's open it up real quick. And then we'll put in the new car seat as well. And here it is. There we go. I think that's okay. Yep. We've got openings here to get the latch straps in. And that sit level looks good here. Here's a neat little accessory pocket. Could put things in rather than having them dropping on the floor. Okay, there it is. Let's go ahead and put the car seat in. First, I'm going to get the tether up and out of the way behind the seat. I'll actually clip it in right now so that it stays up there. On the left-hand side, we won't tighten it just yet. Get the car seat centered on the mat. Okay, here's the latch strap. This is pretty simple. We're just going to be inserting it straight back into those anchor points, and you'll hear it click in. There's one. Latch number 2, just going to fill back here again and clip it in. That's clipped in, and tighten the belt down. I usually like to push down in the middle just to get it as tight as I can by hand. Let's tighten down the top. So just pull on this strap here. Without any tangles. It's pretty solid, but what I like to do to make sure it's in is put a knee into the seat and just give it one extra little tighten. One extra little pull. I'll pull the top. And the side. Got at least another inch there just by putting my knee into the seat. First, the second to last step is going to be putting the all-important cup holder into the seat. Find the little hole in the fabric. Drop it straight down. A little wiggle. And then we'll probably just put it to the back like this. So with the cup holders, I doubt you're going to be able to fit 3 Diono car seats across in the back seat of a Model 3. Without the cup holder, I think you probably could fit 3 across, but it would be very, very tight and probably very hard to get to the straps, is certainly in the middle car seat. Last step is to check with Mom and make sure she's satisfied with it. All right, Rachel, how's it look?
All right, let me give it the old knee test, I guess. Okay, not tight enough. Where's the... Let's see. Pull the strap a little tighter here. Okay, I'm going to bring it through this side.
Oh, it's a secret to bring it through. I didn't know that.
Velcro out of the way. Mom knowledge. Now try to pull this.
What did you get there? About an inch?
No. Pull it real tight. Use my He-Man strength there. Oh yeah. There's a lot of slack in there.
Alright, so there's the secret. Go ahead and pull the strap through the
little side here.
little side. I was pulling up the wrong direction and didn't really want to. That's tighter. How about the top?
Well, it doesn't matter about the top. It needs to matter just where the latch is. Let's see if I can get it a little tighter. Heck yeah, no movement. And you really want less than 1 inch of movement on any car seat. just at the base here.
Let's do a fold down and make sure we can still fold the seat down here on the left-hand side of the car with the car seat, and it shouldn't be any problem at all.
Oh yeah. Well, this cup holder.
Good point, Mom. We're gonna move the cup holder to the other side.
Mom's always thinking. Okay. So I guess if you did 3 across, then you could have the kids on the outer side have cup holders on the far side.
And here's the 60% portion of the car seat. Let's swing this down. Yeah, there really isn't any movement at all.
Way better.
Way better. The other car
Way
seat,
better.
you had to
You do have
sort of squeeze it down here.
Yeah.
You could put your entire hand in there.
Well, I'm not gonna do that.
And it comes right down. The only
Yeah, and this is what's nice about this cover is it's thinner, so it does actually move out of the way a little more.
I just have to worry about the headrest bumping into the back of my driver's seat, but that's easy. It goes right down.
Nice.
So look at that. We can carry some cargo. Okay, let's go for a ride. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe to Tesla Family Channel here on YouTube. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and everyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Check out all of our other videos as well. Also, follow us on Twitter at Tesla Family Chan. Use my referral code to buy a new Tesla and you will get 1,000 free supercharging miles. Or if you use my referral code to buy Tesla solar roof or solar panels, you'll get a $100 reward after system activation.